in the truck.
Robert, you want to take the sign home?
Oh yeah.
Get on, Darren.
To security, the security guards, can you
Let's go, Darren.
assist the committee by
Need some paper signed? Need some paper signed?
Yeah, we gotta go get some paper signed.
garbage?
Yeah.
And while the garbage truck is still here,
There.
Hi Darren, I'm Claire.
assist by
I'm gonna,
This is my
cleaning up
niece.
the yards,
I need you
the
to come
fishing
with me.
area.
We're gonna head to that green building where they were registered.
Free Tim Hortons coffee right here to my left here. Free coffee,
I'll
guys.
be waiting there, so
Stop
the
yourselves.
truck's gonna stay here until that's all done, okay?
Can we take a picture of you? Daniel, real fast?
Yeah, okay. Close it up.
I'm done.
Thank you. Okay, I'll meet you there.
Okay.
Congratulations, Darren.
Yeah, thanks. Awesome.
Take a picture of him.
Nice truck, though, that's for sure.
And yourself?
Huh?
Yourself with him?
Me?
Yeah. Why not? Darren?
Gotta wait for a while. Yeah.
Darren? With one of the organizers?
Oh, one of the organizers.
I'm doing video and pictures at the same time.
Yeah. Conrad, you want to get a picture of all the guys from there? They're all
Sure.
from the same place. I grew up with them down south.
All right.
Lads. Yeah. Do a cheers.
Ready?
Oh, he's watching.
From Standing Buffalo? An area?
Standing Buffalo. Buffalo or Buffalo? Way to go, guys.